Remember what sex was like in your teens and 20s? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you're not 18 anymore. If you want to get back to the way things were in the bedroom, I'm happy to report there is a solution, and it's already helped thousands of men get harder and firmer at any age. This is the Phoenix. It's the only device you can use at home to get the same shockwave therapy I provide to men in my clinic. This improves your sex life without pills, injections, or surgery. What once cost thousands of dollars in a clinic and required multiple appointments can now be discreetly delivered to your door for as little as $41 a month. It's FDA registered and patented around the world. The Phoenix has already helped more than 25,000 men. After trying it for 60 days, 98% of the men choose to keep it because the Phoenix works. Find out if the Phoenix can help you in less than 2 minutes by taking the online assessment at getmyphoenix.com. You deserve to know if this technology can help you get back in the game and be at your best.